Working of Hello friends, welcome to Daring Marine YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about basic principle and working of marine refrigeration and AC. So let's discuss about what are the basic working principle behind the marine refrigeration and AC system. Refrigeration and AC working under two principles. That means liquid absorb heat when changes from liquid to gas. When liquid changes from liquid to gas, they will absorb heat, and gas will give away heat when changes from gas to liquid. When change from gas to liquid, the gas will give away heat. Refrigeration and AC working on basic two principles. When liquid converted to gas, it will absorb heat. In the same way, the gas is converted to liquid, they will give away heat. Okay. Here we can see the picture. Evaporator is there, condenser, evaporator, then low vapor side and high vapor side, and high pressure side, low pressure side. Okay. There are four components of refrigeration of air conditioner. Four components are compressor, condenser, and all. The compressor means basically compress refrigerant, thereby increase its pressure and temperature. Compressor means it compress refrigerant gas, thereby increase pressure and temperature. Condenser means all heat from refrigeration gas is absorbed by condenser. It changes its phase from gas to liquid. Condenser means all heat from refrigeration gas is absorbed by the condenser and changes its phase from gas to liquid. Okay. There are four main components of a refrigeration or air conditioner. Compressor means it basically compresses refrigeration gas and thereby increases pressure and temperature. Condenser means all heat from the refrigeration gas is absorbed by condenser and changes its phase from gas to liquid. Expansion valve or expansion device. It is quickly responsible for quickly driving the pressure or refrigerant down so it can boil more easily in the evaporator. Expansion device or expansion valve, it is responsible for quickly driving the pressure of refrigerant down so it can boil more easily in the evaporator. Expansion device or expansion valve is responsible for quickly driving the pressure of refrigerant down so it can boil or evaporate more easily in the evaporator. Evaporator means evaporator cooling the air going to space by boiling, evaporating the refrigerant flowing through it. Evaporator means evaporator cooling the air going to the space by boiling or evaporating the refrigerant flowing through it. Okay. Expansion valve means expansion device. It is responsible for quickly driving the pressure of refrigerant so it can more easily boil the evaporator. Okay. Evaporator means evaporator cooling the air going to space by boiling the refrigerant flowing through it. The working means here mention the basic components of a refrigeration. Okay, cold refrigerant is evaporator in evaporator coil, which being colder than its surrounding, so draws heat from them to latent heat of vaporization. The cool vapor is drawn by a compressor, which raises both pressure and temperature of the vapor, and it will pass to the condenser. The pressure of vapor have been increased, and vapor now has temperature of condensing sustainability greater than that the temperature of the condenser cold liquid. Okay, means here cold liquid refrigerant is evaporator into evaporator coil. Cold liquid refrigerant is evaporator in evaporator coil, being colder than surrounding, so it draws heat from the to latent heat of vaporization. So it draws more heat from surrounding to latent heat of vaporization. Cool vapor is drawn off by compressor. The cool vapor is drawn off by compressor. They will raise both pressure and temperature of vapor. Cool vapor is drawn off by compressor. They will raise both pressure and temperature and pass it to condenser, and they will pass it to condenser. Pressure of vapor having been increased, pressure of vapor they will increase, and vapor now has temperature of condensation. Vapor now has temperature of condensation sustainably greater than temperature of condenser cold liquid. The vapor is condensed to a high pressure liquid and sensible heat of superheating. The vapor is condensed to a high pressure liquid and sensible heat of desuperheating. Vapor together with intended heat of condensation is removed. Via condenser coolant which is wound up by the pressure. So here the vapor is condensed to a high pressure liquid. So a sensible heat of desuperheating. The vapor together with intended heat of condensation is removed via the condenser coolant, so which is wound up the process. High pressure liquid then passes through expansion valve to low pressure side of refrigeration. This high pressure liquid will pass through the expansion valve to the low pressure side of the refrigerator. In doing so, flash evaporates to two-phase mixture of cold liquid and vapor. Flash evaporates to two-phase mixture of cold liquid and vapor. The mixture then passes to evaporator to condenser cycle. The mixture then passes to evaporator to condenser cycle. Okay. The vapor is condensed to a high pressure liquid and sensible heat of desuperheating. The vapor together with intense heat of condensation is removed via condenser coolant, which is wound up in the process. High pressure liquid then passes through expansion valve to low pressure side of your refrigerator. In doing so, flash evaporates to two-phase mixture of cold liquid and vapor. Mixture then passes to evaporator to continue the cycle. Thank you.